This is multiple choice questions on database management system part 2. I am Dr. K.K. Misra. I welcome you all to my YouTube channel R Classes. I have compiled this in view of your scheduled examinations to be held very soon. Now come to the question. Question number 1. The candidate key is that you choose to identify each row uniquely is called dash. Options are A. Alternate key, B. Primary key, C. Foreign key, D. None of the above. Correct option is B. Primary key. Question number 2. Dash is used to determine whether a table contains duplicate rows. Excuse me. Options are A. Unique predicate, B. Like predicate, C. Null predicate, D. In predicate. Correct option is A. Unique predicate. Question number 3. To eliminate duplicate rows, dash is used. Options are A. Non-duplicate, B. Eliminate, C. Distinct, D. None of these. Correct option is C. Distinct. Question number 4. State true or false. First, a candidate key is a minimal superkey. Second, a candidate key can also refer to a surrogate key. Here, correct option is C. First true, second true. Question number 5. DCL stands for. Correct option is A. Data control language. 6. Dash is the process of organizing data into related tables. Options are A. Normalization, B. Generalization, C. Specialization, D. None of the above. Correct option is A. Normalization. Question number 7. A dash does not have a distinguishing attribute if its own and most are dependent entities which are part of some another entity. Options are A. Weak entity, B. Strong entity, C. Non-attributes entity, D. Dependent entity. Correct option is A. Weak entity. Question number 8. Dash is the complex search criteria in the in where clause. Options are A. Substring, B. Drop table, C. Predict, D. Predicate. Correct option is D. Predicate. Question number 9. Dash is the preferred method for enforcing data integrity. Here correct option is A. Constraints. Question number 10. The number of tuples in a relation is called its dash, while the number of attributes in a relation is called its dash. Here correct option is B. Cardinality degree. Question number 11. The language that requires a user to specify the data to be retrieved without specifying exactly how to get it is. Correct option here is B. Non-procedural DML. I am just directly trying to read out only the correct option so that it takes lesser time. By the way, question number 12. Which two files are used during the operation of the DBMS? Options are A. Query languages and utilities, B. DML and query language, C. Data dictionary and transaction log, D. Data dictionary and query language. Correct option is C. Data dictionary and transaction log. Question number 13. The database schema is written in DDL. Correct option is C. 14. The way particular application views the data from the database that the application uses is a. Correct option is D. Sub-schema. Question number 15. The relational model feature is that their options are A. Is no need for primary key data, B. Is much more data independence than some other database models, C. Are explicit relationships among records, D. Are tables with many dimensions. Correct option is B. Is much more data independence than some other database models. Question number 16. Which of the following statement is false? Here correct option is B. Data elements in the database can be modified by changing the data dictionary. This is false. 17. Which of the following are property of entities? Options are A. Groups, B. Table, C. Attributes, D. Switchboards. Correct option is C. Attributes. Question number 18. Which database level is closest to the users? Options are A. External, B. Internal, C. Physical, D. Conceptual. Correct option is A. External. Question number 19. Which are the two ways in which entities can participate in a relationship? Options are A. Passive and active, B. Total and partial, C. Simple and complex, D. All of the above. Correct option is B. Total and partial. 20. Data type can store unstructured data. Options are A. Raw, B. Char, C. Numeric, D. Varchar. Correct option is A. Raw. Now question number 21. Relational model, in fact, model is based on the concept of data that is organized and stored in two-dimensional tables is called. Correct option is C. Relations. Here numerically it is wrong. By the way, it is question number 22. That contains information that defines valid values that are stored in a column or data type. So correct option here is C. Index. By default, the two questions are numbered as 21. You take them, the first one is 21, second is 21. But in the next slide, I will be reading the numbers what is written. By the way, question number 22. Which of the syntax is correct for insert statement? Here, correct option is C. In fact, first and second both are correct. Question number 23. Dash first proposed the process of normalization in DBMS. Correct option is B. Edgar F. Codd. Question number 24. For using a specific database, dash command is used. Correct option is A. Use database. Question number 25. Which of the following is not comparison operator? Correct option is C. That is equal or less than. 26. An outstanding functionality of SQL is its support for automatic dash to the target data. Correct option is here C. Navigation. 27. Dash is a special type of integrity constraint that relates to relations and maintains consistency across the relations. Here, correct option is B. Referential integrity constraints. 28. Dash specifies a search condition for a group or an aggregate. Correct option is having clause. B. 29. Obviously, actually it is 30. By the way, one number was doubled, so there are 30 questions in this particular video tutorial. The last one is here, drop table cannot be used to drop a table referenced by a dash constraint. Correct option is D. Foreign key. So this was all about this video tutorial. I think this video tutorial and previous one on the same subject will definitely help you a lot in writing your final semester's examination. Thank you. I hope that you have liked it, and if you have liked it, please do not forget to subscribe and press the bell button and pass it on to others, those who are needy now and in the future. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much. Have a nice time. Best of luck.